Number 5. Number 4.
I love to barbecue, and I love to grill. There's just something about the taste of hickory, mesquite, alder, and cherry. The juiciness you get from a slow cook. Now I just use my ZGrills wood pellet grill. I can smoke, grill, bake, braise, roast, and barbecue, all in one. I have to say, it's my new secret weapon. ZGrills automatically moves wood pellets into the electric burner at a consistent rate for even heating. The fire never touches the food, keeping it from unwanted charring. After plugging ZGrills in, just tell ZGrills whether you'd like to smoke or cook, providing that great wood flavor with the ease and convenience of a gas grill. Using a gas grill, you just don't get that natural wood flavor and aroma. And charcoal grills are just too messy. It's difficult to control when you start or stop cooking. After my prep, it's straight into the ZGrills to smoke and cook all in one place. Besides the convenience of smoking and grilling at the turn of a dial, I can also make this delicious wood-fired pizza. ZGrills' digital temperature control makes it easy for me to step away for the more important, well, more fun things. Now that you know all of my grilling secrets, get one for yourself at an amazing price. Get yourself a ZGrills Elite 900 today.
Number 3.
My cold brew and nitro coffee. It's not a beer. It's nitro coffee. Easiest way to make nitro cold brew coffee. Refrigeration for 12 hours. Cold brew coffee with flavor. Combination of cold brew coffee and Nitro King. Pull the tab and enjoy Nitro Coffee. Nitro Cold Brew Coffee. Experience Nitro King. We wish our Nitro King could add taste and flavor to your coffee life.
Number 2.
Power Practical is bringing the Luminoodle back to Kickstarter. This time, with color. Based on feedback from our backers, we took the Luminoodle to the next level and came up with the Luminoodle color and the 20-foot long Luminoodle BASECAMP. Full of new features to give you total control of your lighting experience, we've added a 3-button controller and a wireless remote to manage your colors, brightness, and a variety of color changing modes. They are also waterproof and come with magnets, quick loop straps, and a lantern bag to give you flexibility to light up any environment. Now you can have the perfect custom lighting experience at home, on the go, or your home away from home. The USB-powered Luminoodle color takes the portability of the original and adds a splash of color and style. The Luminoodle BASECAMP gives you the length to cover some ground and plugs into the wall or your car adapter for non-stop power. Thanks to our backers, we've come up with a Luminoodle option for every occasion, and the sky's the limit. Please back or share our project and show us how you color your noodle.
Number 1.
We're Shade, a team of engineers and product designers from Denmark, and we want to improve the way you light your home. As a Nordic company, we understand the importance of light. Light has a profound influence on our overall sense of well-being, yet it's not easy getting the right light for the right situations. In collaboration with the award-winning product designer Øyvind Slato, we have worked hard to conceive our vision of a modern lamp. Now Shade introduces the Orb, our vision of the next generation smart light. Human-centric technology, Danish design inspired by the Nordics, fitted with the best components and built to last. The Orb is an intelligent design lamp which not only looks great but adjusts to your needs. Unlike any other lamp, you can control not only the intensity and color, but also the direction. You can use it on its own as an elegant and flexible light source, or with the Slato S1 silhouette resulting in an exclusive and iconic expression. The Orb works right out of the box. It's operated through the included wall switch and can be combined with leading smart home solutions, ensuring seamless integration into your home. Or you can use your smartphone, giving you access to advanced functions and the ability to control the Orb wherever. Choose the light mood from one of the predefined settings, or easily create your own mood and save it for future use. Having dinner with friends, you want to present the food in a beautiful light whilst maintaining a warm and inviting atmosphere. And when the table is cleared, you can change the mood without changing the setting. You can easily add more orbs and configure them through the app interface. You now control rooms instead of individual lamps. When it's time for storytelling, you want to be able to read your book in a cozy atmosphere. The Orb creates a warm ambience whilst ensuring proper reading conditions. And when the evening turns to night, the Orb prepares you for bed, ensuring better sleep. If you find yourself needing that little bit of extra energy, a flick of the hand tells the Orb you're not quite ready for bed. The Orb even helps you get up in the morning. We bring the sunrise directly into your bedroom. Waking up has never been easier than with the sunrise feature. This is our vision for the future of interior lighting. A beautifully crafted designer lamp that understands what you need. Simply put, better light, better living. We already have fully working prototypes, and now our goal is to deliver in the fall of 2017, and we're just getting started. We need your help to achieve our aims and bring our lighting revolution to everybody's home. Thanks for your support.